Thank you, engineer. Thank you, Pastor Manny. Thank you for all the pastors making this possible. This is 20 years in the making. I've shared this to all of our friends. Even yesterday, we have a joint fellowship here yesterday and told to our congregation. We don't have money, but I believe our God has the money for us.
Amen.
This is for His glory and His honor. That's why we thank God for what He's going to do. Thank you, everyone that's going to witness what happened today and until the ending or the finishing of this building. Thank you so much.
Amen.